Want to make money while you sleep? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and sell AI-generated ebooks on complete autopilot, and even if you've never written a word in your life. This method is 100% beginner-friendly. No writing skills, no tech headaches, no ads. And it runs on free tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Gumroad. Stick around to the end. I'll give you a plug-and-play template you can start using today. First, you want to pick a topic that sells. Think about subjects like how to lose weight without dieting, make money with AI in 2025, or mastering manifestation. Use Google Trends or TikTok search to find hot topics. Simple enough. Right, next, let's get AI to write your ebook. Open ChatGPT and say, write a 10-chapter ebook on your topic with actionable tips. It'll write the full outline and content for you in seconds. Edit it lightly for clarity or personality if needed. Now design the ebook with Canva. Use Canva's free ebook templates. Paste in your AI content. Add visuals or infographics. Download it as a high-quality PDF. Boom. Done. Finally, upload and sell. Head over to Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy. Upload your PDF, set your price, $7.27 is a sweet spot. Add a catchy title, description, and AI-generated cover. And just like that, you're live and selling 24/7. Here's a bonus tip. Want traffic? Use AI to generate short-form content and promote your ebook on TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. One viral post could mean hundreds of sales. If you want my exact ChatGPT prompts, Canva templates, and upload checklist, grab the free AI ebook kit in the description. Like, subscribe, and comment autopilot if you want a full series on AI businesses you can start today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.